The 2026 Scania Motorhome stands out as a true luxury home on wheels, built on Scania's renowned commercial truck platform that is trusted worldwide for durability and performance. This motorhome is designed for long journeys, extreme comfort, and total reliability, making it ideal for families, adventure lovers, and professional travelers who refuse to compromise on quality. Scania's powerful engine lineup ensures smooth performance even with a fully loaded cabin, delivering strong torque, excellent highway stability, and confident hill climbing ability. Advanced transmission systems make driving effortless, whether you are cruising on highways or navigating mountain roads. Inside, the 2026 Scania Motorhome feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. The cabin is spacious, thoughtfully designed, and finished with premium materials. Soft leather seating, ambient LED lighting, and high-quality wood or modern trims create a relaxing atmosphere. The living area includes a comfortable lounge, a fully functional kitchen with modern appliances, and a dining space that can easily convert for additional sleeping needs. Large panoramic windows bring in natural light and offer stunning views, making every stop feel special. The sleeping area is designed for maximum comfort, featuring plush beds, ample storage, and noise insulation that ensures peaceful rest after long drives. The bathroom setup is equally impressive, offering a separate shower, modern fixtures, and efficient water management systems. Climate control technology keeps the interior comfortable in all weather conditions, whether you are traveling in hot summers or cold winters. In terms of technology, the 2026 Scania Motorhome is packed with advanced features. A digital driver display, touchscreen infotainment system, navigation, and smartphone connectivity keep you informed and entertained on the road. Safety is a major highlight, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and stability control, all working together to provide a confident and secure driving experience. Fuel efficiency is optimized through Scania's latest engine technology and aerodynamic design, making long-distance travel more economical despite the motorhome's size. Solar panel options, smart battery management, and energy-efficient appliances support off-grid living, allowing travelers to stay independent for longer periods. Overall, the 2026 Scania Motorhome delivers a perfect balance of strength, luxury, and innovation. It is built for those who want to travel without limits while enjoying the comfort of a high-end home wherever the road takes them. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want more premium vehicle content, futuristic motorhomes, and next-level travel machines, subscribe to ViralVerse and stay connected for more amazing videos.